way to tell them at once, no? Based on data quality audit and sincerity test, how many? Pila na ikabuo karon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 respondents will remove. And so therefore we process pila na lang. Pila man itong original respondent?
1,306.
Ang i-process na mo karon kanina lang ang gilikan na sa data.
No, di kailangan na
isang
isang
process. Dito sa inyo, ma'am? So,
1,293.
that will make me more, what we call this, makita na mo nga, you're doing your homework, no? If I could see those in the paper. Makita na po sa paper. Okay? So, again, remove na to, no? Delete na to sila. I think this time, as of the moment, we do not need standard division. Okay? So, kana, ato na sa itong i-delete for the for the purpose of sorting to siya. And then here, bisa na ito i-remove to siya. Ano man, nagkalamukat man yung ato ang respondents na karon, no? So, ako ko nang i-sort na sa nako. Sort na sa nako from A to Z. And you will see, na yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so may mga na-remove. Mga 1 na diyan. May mga nangambak ka na diyan, no? That's okay. Okay? That's okay. Because that's our coding for our respondents. No? And that coding can be traced back to the timestamp. And in fact, with corresponding name. Diba? Pero i-remove mo na itong name for the purpose of anonymity. Okay? So, baka na ba ito siya tanan? Ready na ko siya for analysis? I think so. For the time being. But somehow along the way, we met some problems in the data analysis, in which I want you to perform, experience doing it, even if you are not a math major. Maya mo kung todo, kamawar mo.
Kakuha mo yung modify mo.
And i-check na din as ako ang research associates. No? So, that is why I'm including my research associates, because they will, of course, surely, because I'm very busy, they will surely get into some hands-on of our articles, no? Under my guidance, no? So, but I want you to analyze by yourself. So this time, namoy duha ka assignments.
Yes.
So, kini si group 2, butas na, ano sila? Good for them. Pero
Yeah,
Sir, pagka naman.
you are pag-usap. Yes. So, start? Okay, later on. Ato na isgutan. Ang skeleton? Okay, ang isgutan nila sa... Hindi familiar? Okay, sige. Isgutan na to. Okay, anyway. What else? Kung sa may layan ako mahimo. So far. Now, another thing. I want you to have... Okay, as of the moment, wala na kayo mahuna-unaan nga. Wala na kayo laing mahuna-unaan nga angay na itong buhaton to remove respondents. Anyway, later on nato na tanaw. Okay? So, I could say nga ang final number ni nila karon na ko ihap. Ngari lang. 1, 2, dili lang ko dito kay
Final responses kay
1293.
1293.
So, 1293 ang ato i-process.
Oo, sir.
No? Sige. Sige.
Salamat sa Ginoo.
So, okay. Now, I want you to include this one. I-appeal this siya for the next meeting. When you take a look at articles that we have done, you go to Google Scholar, you can search my name. So, for example, here, dimensions of motivations in teaching. May article in Hindawi.
Hindawi dito ako. Pero wala ko na sa impact factor.
So we have this one, demographic characteristics of the participants, n equals 446. So ang inyong demographic characteristics of the participants, n is equal to 1,000.
1.
2129. Okay, so
Kung pila lang mabili.
Ngayon say, mag-demo mo niya ni nga table. Mato na niya nga table. Kung sa may akong giretain dito, okay, naka-sex, naka-year level, naka-school type, nasa kay age. Ang age karon, I think so, you'll have to, okay, let's take a look at this. How to make a table? Based on this database, you could do pivot table and pivot chart reports. How to do that? All you have to do is to insert pivot table. Insert pivot table. Okay, na-identify niya. Oh, okay. Pivot table ta sa imong database. Tanawa, na-identify niya diretso, no? Ang database. But I want you to do it manually para sure ka mawala siya magpatato og select. Okay. By the way, akong gigamit din ay Control Shift, arrow key right, Control Shift, kasi naglibog mo mag-yun sa select. No? Pero kamo na yung bahala select, no? Control Shift, arrow key down, no?
Mano-mano mo kasi.
Ayaw mano-mano siya.
Humimog formula.
Okay, review your basic computer. Okay, so, na-select na ako. Na-select na ako ang database. Pag-enter na ako, may siya. Okay, asa mo na mo ibutang? Maybe on a new worksheet na lang. No? Magbutang siya another sheet dire. Butangan na to, butangan niya for pivot table. Okay? Pivot table specifically for this database. Pag-click OK, mag-open siya bago, makita sa pivot table. Kasuhay naman eh?
Wala, sir.
Karon pa ko, sir.
Sayang na 5.
Di ba na may computer sa school? Wala.
For evaluation, sir.
Hindi haling. Control C, Control V, pwede din mo padaghanon siya. Okay, pwede din mo siya padaghanon aron nga at least natay pivot table diha nga magamit. Okay? Wa na mo kabog ni Sir Alvin di ay. Suspect, no? Sir Alvin. Sir Alvin Campos. Akong staff there sa una. But anyway, yes, you want to know how many of the respondents are male and female. Diba? Yung mga ning kuwan. Nga napa ko'y novice and experienced dire. Ayaw na inani aday. Medyo complicated ni siya gamay. Kinapa ko novice and experienced teachers. Pero kani ka dire sa uban akong work like, okay, let's have ilan ni Ma'am Giselle? This one has the highest impact factor now, so far. No? Pinit ko na artificial intelligence, manggod. Also kayo ang artificial intelligence. Sa ginanira mo, okay na siya. Okay. O age, less than 20. Yan, 21 plus. Pwede na naman ninyo, kay, di ba po siya? College?
Yes, sir.
Ati nga 22, 20, asa mo na
19 ang yung nasugod, sir.
Divine.
19.
Okay, 18. Grade 12 naman na, sir.
Ito na may magsugod.
Sure?
20. First year pa. Ako bata, 20. 21 naman siya.
Bantay, ah.
Kung